have no doubt, no queries in that. So let's continue the next topic, that is dimensions of business environment. There are the 5 and the most important dimensions of business environment, that are economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment and legal environment. These 5 environments signify everything from their names. How? Economic environment. With this we know that what is economic? Economic things, that issues which are related to money. These things are related to money. Next is social environment. Social environment means society. Environment which affect the society. Next is technological environment. Technological environment relates with the techniques. Next, political environment, politics. Legal, that the rules and policies framed by the government. So let's start with the first point, that is economic environment. I have told you that economic environment. In the economic environment, all the issues regarding the money, regarding the monetary policies is taken care. What are these policies? First is inflation rate, interest rate, customers' income, economic policies, etc. How these things affect the business environment. Let's take that interest rate. With the increase in interest rate, or with the let's take that interest rate has decreased. With the decrease in interest rate, the consumers can buy more loans and can fulfill their things. Example, the interest rate on the home loan is very low. So more consumers are ready to take the loan. So their needs, and this is very fulfilled. This is mainly good. This is very good for both consumer as well as for the banks. With the customer income, as the customer income is rising, their demand for anything is also rising. With their supply and demand will taken care. Next is social environment. The environment policies that take care of all the society, how these policies are taken care of. These policies include traditional literacy rate, values, customs, etc. What are traditions, values, customs? We all celebrate Diwali, Christmas, Holi and we know that our parents, our grandparents also used to celebrate these things. We have taken these traditions from a generation to generation. For example, on Diwali, the business of crackers, candles, diyas is bursting. Next, third point is technological environment. Those environment techniques, the techniques which are related to the technology, are known as the technological environment. With how these things, improvement and innovation of quality of goods and service. How the improvement of quality goods. Nowadays there is a huge trend of smart watches. No one used to that of the watches that our grandparents used to carry, or no one want to use the TVs that the grandparents used to have, that is black and white TV. We are very fond of the smart TVs. This is all because of the techniques, changing techniques. With the upgradation of techniques, our wants, our needs has shifted to the new one. Fourth is political environment. Those the things that are related to it include political stability, peace in the country and the attitude of ruling party. If there is no politics stability, in one year we have this politics, in next year we have this. Suppose in the 2019 we have BJP, 2020 Congress, 2021 in BJP, 22 Congress. This shifting of the politics results in the shifting of the businessman's mind. The businessman will get confused what to do, which policy to have and which to not. Next is legal environment. Legal environment, in this the government gives specific rules and regulations for the citizens of the country to follow this. For this, Nowadays, we all know that whole the world is suffering from COVID-19, and the government of India has done the lockdown. This lockdown is known as the illegal environment. Or we know that the cigarettes are injurious to health. But does their sale stop? No. Only we see that on the pack we see consumption of cigarette is injurious to health. Cigarette cause cancer. What is? They're just following the legal environment but don't reducing the sales of their products. Next topic of the chapter and the last topic is impact of government policy changes on business. We all know the new policy is adopted in the 1991, that is LPG. It is known as liberalization, privatization and globalization. It is adopted in July 1991. We must know what is liberalization, privatization and globalization. Liberalization to remove unwanted control and unwanted things that are controlling in our whole world. Next is privatization, removing the public sector. Everything is being done in private. Globalization, to do export and imports globally. With these policy changes, many changes have seen in the country. So these are increasing competition. With the introduction of LPG, the competition in the world has increased a lot. More demanding customer. With the increasing competition, before LPG has introduced, the customer wants to buy the things that the businessman produce. But now with the introduction of LPG, the customer wants the things what they want really. With this increasing competition, the more demanding customers. Third is rapidly changing technological environment. We have discussed previously that technological environment has changed rapidly. We know that before our parents in their childhood don't use the cell phones, that we are using the smartphones. With the changing in time, there is increased change in the technological world. Fourth is necessity for changing. We all know that the whole world is dynamic. The future is uncertain. The world is changing day by day. To cope up with the changes, we should adapt these changes. Now, if we use that Nokia phone, do we help in the growth of the economy? No, we don't. Fifth is loss of budgeting support to the public sector. With everything has changed to privatization, the public sector, with the privatization, the main focus is profit earning. So the society and profit earning has been conflict. With this, there is loss in public sector. Guys, with this, our chapter is finished. If you have any doubt, any query, comment me in the comment box. Guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.